Dear students, this is second video lectures. I am myself J.P. Misra, Department of Chemistry, Karimcity College. Just we discuss about the magnetic property. Magnetic properties. Magnetic properties of fast transition metals. TM. So we can magnetic property here. There's five types of magnetic substances. Magnetic substance, diamagnetic, substance, paramagnetic, ferromagnetic, antiferro, and ferrimagnetic substance. There are five types of magnetic substance. Generally, transition metals are only two correct diamagnetic and paramagnetic. Now, the first we discuss about the diamagnetic substances. The substances which are weakly repelled by magnetic fields are called diamagnetic substances. Diamagnetic substance has no unpaired electrons. Number one, diamagnetic substance has absence of unpaired electrons. For example, zinc 3d10, copper 1, 3d10, diamagnetic. Now zinc has 10 electrons. There is no unpaired electrons. All are the pair. सभी इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ पेयर है. Unpaired electron, the number of unpaired electron zero होगा. That is why zinc ion plus 2 ions, cuprous ions are diamagnetic. Second is paramagnetic substance. Most of transition elements and their compounds are paramagnetics. The substances which are weakly attracted by external magnetic field are called paramagnetic substances. So that is why now D1 to D9 paramagnetic due to presence of unpaired electron. For example, yes, Mn2, iron 2, Arix, copper 2 are paramagnetic. जैसे कॉपर 2 की जगह तो कॉपर 2 की जगह देखें. This is 3d9. जो 9 इलेक्ट्रॉन है, this is for unpaired electron. This copper 2 is paramagnetic due to presence of unpaired electron. Third magnetic property is ferromagnetic. This is a special type of the paramagnetic behavior of the transition metals. The substances which are strongly attracted with external magnetic fields are called ferromagnetic substances. For example, yes, iron. In ferromagnetic substance, now the orientation of unpaired electrons along same directions. Now iron, cobalt, nickel, ferromagnetic. In this case, now the alignment of unpaired electron of the atomic crystals are same direction. Alignment of magnetic moment in same direction. The first, diamagnetic substance, it is repelled, it has no unpaired electrons. Second is paramagnetic, it has weakly attracted with the magnetic field. And third, ferromagnetic, which are strongly attracted with magnetic field. Now, iron, cobalt, nickel in ferromagnetic are in free state are ferromagnetic. Fourth is your anti-ferro. Magnetic substance. These are some oxides. In anti-ferromagnetic substance, alignment of magnetic moment of unpaired electron is equal and opposite. So net magnetic moment is 0. Now yes, one clockwise, anti-clock, clock, anti-clock, alignment of magnetic moment of unpaired electron is equal and opposite. The example here, manganese oxide MnO. Now yes, it is not attracted by the magnetic field. It has unpaired electron bound, alignment of unpaired electron, orientation of unpaired electron equal and opposite. Net magnetic moment is 0. It is not attracted by the magnetic field. And last one is ferrimagnetic substance. Ferrimagnetic substance. In these substances, alignment of magnetic moment of unpaired electron is unequal and opposite. So it is weakly attracted. This is like behavior to the paramagnetic. Alignment of magnetic moment of domain is unequal and opposite. Example Fe3O4. This is mixed oxide. This is weakly attracted by the magnetic field. So there are 5 types of magnetic substance of transition element, but transition metal are only 2 types: diamagnetic and paramagnetic. Now the magnetic moment, magnetic behavior of substance is explained by magnetic moment. Now the magnetic moment is due to orbital motion of electron, spin motion of electron. So magnetic behavior is explained by magnetic moment. The तो मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट जो होता है वह दो तरह कंसीडर करते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉन के ऑर्बिटल मोशन, इलेक्ट्रॉन के जो इलेक्ट्रॉन का स्पिन मोशन था। और दिस इज व्हेन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रिवॉल्विंग अराउंड इन न्यूक्लियस orbital motion of electron. Magnetic moment of electron by orbital motion. Second, electrons moves around the nucleus on its it's called spin motion. The electrons rotate on each axis clockwise and anti-clockwise. This is called a spin motion of electron. And this is called magnetic moment due to a spin motion. Yes. So magnetic moment of the substance is partially by mu effective, mu 0 and mu s. Mu 0 magnetic moment partially by orbital motion of electron. This mu 0 the magnetic moment is a partially होगा, partially by orbital motion and plus partially by the spin motion. This is total magnetic moment of the substances. Now mu s magnetic moment partially by a spin motion of electron. But in transit dimension, magnetic moment or orbital moment is quenching out. So we can calculate magnetic moment only by a spin motion. Now orbital motion का जो होगा magnetic moment ये quenching होता है, इसीलिए केवल we can calculate magnetic moment, total magnetic moment is only the spin motion of electron. You see, so mu equal to effective mu s, mu is equal to n into n plus 2 on root b. This is formula for calculating of magnetic moment of the substance, where mu is magnetic moment, magnetic moment, and number of unpaired electrons, or Bn is unit of Bohr magnetic. This is unit of magnetic. So ट्रांसमीटर का फॉर्मूला क्रिएट का जो है मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट जो है ये इस फॉर्मूला से निकालेंगे. जैसे टेक एग्जांपल ऑफ हियर वी कैलकुलेट द मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट ऑफ आयरन 2. First you write the electronic configuration of iron 2. This is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6 and 3d6. Now 3d6, as you arrange here box wise the number of unpaired electron of this 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Mu here n into n plus 2 on root bn. The magnetic moment of this substance of transimeters calculated by this formula. Mu is magnetic moment, n is number of unpaired electrons, and Vm is unit of magnetic moment. This is called force magneton. For example, here, so take example here. Iron ferrous. This is the D is equal to force. The mu is equal to this. The n is equal to 4. The mu is equal to 4 into 4 plus 2 on the root. The mu is equal to 24 Vm. This is negative moments. Next, the property of transition component is color. This is very important property of the transition component.